Here's a quick track saw tip that you're not going to find in the manual. On all Festool track saws, you have what we call the fast fix. So when you lift it up, it's actually going to make the blade go down a bit. But did you know there's actually a second setting? The first thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you have this slid all the way down. Then we pull the fast fix open, and as you can see, we plunge. But we're going to want to hold this nice and tight. We're going to bring this in just a little bit, and then we're going to keep pushing, lift it up again, and now it's set to its full depth. By the way, make sure you have the batteries out first so you don't potentially injure yourself. It should be safe, but just in case. And now for certain applications, you can have this at full depth.